Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward topic: how to delete your Instacart account in 2025. Whether you're switching to another service, decluttering your apps, or just taking a break from online grocery shopping, this guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instacart app on your smartphone or visit the website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to your profile. You can usually find this by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner of the app or by clicking your profile picture on the website. Next, look for the Settings or Account Settings option. This might be under a submenu like More or directly in your profile page. Don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see something labeled Delete Account, Close Account, or Deactivate Account. Instacart may have updated their interface slightly for 2025, but it should be similar. When you select that option, you'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, so read any warnings carefully. You might need to enter your password again or provide a reason for leaving. Go ahead and do that. Finally, confirm the deletion, and your account will be permanently removed. Remember, this step is irreversible, so double-check that you want to proceed, as you'll lose access to your order history and saved preferences. And there you have it. That's how you delete your Instacart account in 2025. If you encounter any issues, head over to Instacart's Help Center or contact their support team. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next video.